About this item: huge expansion, equipped with an 85W laptop charging USB-C port, an 18W power delivery USB-C port, a USB-C data port, 3 USB-A ports, 2 HDMI ports, a display port, an Ethernet port, SD/micro SD card slots, a 3.5mm auxiliary port, and a DC input. Simultaneous charging. Connect your laptop to the 85W USB-C port and connect your phone or other mobile device to the 18W power delivery USB-C port to get simultaneous high-speed charging. Comprehensive media display. Simultaneously stream media to up to 3 monitors in 1080p at 60 Hz via the DisplayPort and dual HDMI ports. Display information. Mac OS and iPad OS only support single stream transport (SST) mode, which means all connected monitors will show the same content. What you get: Power Expand 13-in-1 USB-C dock, a 135W power adapter, 1M/3 feet USB-C to USB-C cable, welcome guide, our worry-free 18-month warranty, and friendly customer service. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: huge expansion, equipped with an 85W laptop charging USB-C port, an 18W power delivery USB-C port, a USB-C data port, 3 USB-A ports, 2 HD